What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hoopsick. I'm back today with another reaction. The band is Wintersun and the song is Sons of Winter and Stars. Live rehearsals at Sonic Pump Studios. Remaster. I don't know when the song originally came out. This remaster version is from 2018. The original video song was posted to YouTube 7 years ago. Said, I don't know if it's older than that or not. This song has been highly requested. Literally every Nightwish song I've posted, I think this song has been requested somewhere in the comments. Today I'm going to go ahead and listen to it. I don't know anything about this band, anything about the song. I'm going to leave that for y'all to fill me in. This song is 14 minutes long. I have no idea what we're about to get. If we're going to get some symphonic metal like Nightwish, because it's been requested on the Nightwish songs. I have no idea. But I'm going to jump right in. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Click that like button. And let's go. This is Wintersun. Sons of Winter and Stars. Is that the drummer from Nightwish, the current one? I may be totally wrong, but I may have seen that. And I've only seen him once or twice in the videos I've seen, but that might be him. I think you might have told me that. Let me know. Definitely got that symphonic background sound like Nightwish. Oh my gosh, he's going ham on those drums. The tune of this song, the music is like, I don't know, it feels so empowering. I feel like I just conquered some land and won the wars of metal. It's just like this, it's like, I mean, metal as can be, but it's got like this uplifting like pump to it from the orchestration. And then these backing vocals, how these guys are jumping in back and forth. This is very creative. I really like this sound. Oh! This song is epic. They have it all. They have it all. He just hit the cleans like that. There is 10 minutes left in this song. And they've already done everything. I know they haven't done everything. They're going to do 100 more things. This is some epic music. This music that everybody's been putting me on is unbelievable. The talent is just unreal. Back to the screams. We have a solo with 9 minutes left in the song. What is gonna happen for 9 more minutes? He is working on those drums. Everybody's working. More solo. He is sweating. Cleans. No complaints here. I just wonder if they have a version of this without the orchestration. I'm interested to know what this would sound like without the orchestration, because the part they just did, like, I felt like all the backing vocals kind of got drowned out because there was just so much going on. It sounds great, and I love it. I do wish I could hear a version as well, though, that didn't have the orchestration to see what that sounded like, too. But, I mean, this song is metal as all get out, and I love it. He's like, finally, a break. Now we got some clean guitars.
I'm wondering now, where will you take me? From the rise and the light comes alive. Into the mountains high we set our way. Will we find our way in these long winter nights? I see the light of fading sun and rising mountains, and I finally feel that I found my home. But oh, it feels so cold when my dreams wither in fragments of time, revealing that this land will die. Falling snow, so soft and cold, dying cast down, so
That blend.
frozen lake, the dancing spirits calling me, join in the cosmic trade. Silence is saying to me now, we are the sons of winter and stars. We're coming from above beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn, as the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone.
Oh my god. This dude is going ham. He just wiped his face 2 minutes ago and he's already covered in sweat again. This is unreal. More solos.
It's not too late.
it over? Yeah, that's that guy. Kai. That is the drummer for Nightwish. That's what I thought. Okay. Helsinki, Finland. There we go. Wintersun. Sons of Winter and Stars. They have it all. Unreal. They have it all. Great track. Great request. I see why it was requested so many times. Especially by the Nightwish Army. If you're new here, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.